Hello friends, welcome to Guide for Life channel. Today I am here to share some good news about COVID-19 precautions taken by Dubai government. Tomorrow onwards, Dubai is going to remove the restrictions 100%, means completely giving the private sector companies and malls the opportunity to operate in full-fledged. So tomorrow onwards, all the private sector companies can operate as normal, starting from their normal working time. And malls also are going to be opening with entire shops and establishments, everything with all the precautionary measures. So the malls and private sector companies are responsible to ensure that they are adhering to the COVID-19 safety measures advised by the health department. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum have given the advice to the Dubai municipality to open the sector. This is a new hope for the UAE, the Dubai especially. But precaution has to be ensured by the malls, by private sector companies, like starting from the temperature checking in the mall, in the private sector, in the offices also. When the guests, the visitors, employees all are coming to the mall, they have to be screened, the temperature has to be checked, and the mall has to ensure that they are wearing the mask, and safety distance has been keeping they are maintaining safety distance of 2 meters. There is no crowd is allowed, and enough sanitization facilities should be there in the areas like common areas, washrooms, and there should not be any default in terms of the safety measures. If any default is happened, those who are responsible for this will be penalized with huge amount, and there will be no compromise on that. The mall is responsible, the visitor is also responsible. Visitor has to ensure that he is wearing the mask, gloves, he is using sanitizers, he is keeping distance, and this has to be monitored by some responsible person in the mall, in the company, etc. And in companies, we know there are pantries and common areas, so there should be minimum number of people allowed in the pantry at a time. For lunchtime, for example, lunchtime altogether cannot come and have their lunch. There should be minimum number of people allowed in the pantry. Like if the capacity is 10, only 3 people are allowed or 4 people are allowed. That the mall has to decide, or the company has to decide. So Dubai is showing a very good news, and they are going to experience it from tomorrow onwards. But for those from Abu Dhabi region are not supposed to go and enjoy the facility for another 1 week starting from today, because there is some travel restrictions for Abu Dhabi. People are not coming to Abu Dhabi from other Emirates, and Abu Dhabi people are not going to other Emirates also. So we can wait for further updates for the full-fledged operation of UAE. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like it, share with your friends, and we'll be coming back to you with new updates very soon. Thank you.